part where I'm probably going to turn the sound on so that you can kind of hear what the hell I'm thinking. And if you're still here watching, thanks. I'm just going to spray another little bit of paper towel here and just try to re-dip the center. This may be the worst idea ever, but I'm gonna see. Because I like everything except for the center. And I don't know how to fix the center. But I like that a little bit better. I don't really like what's going on here. And it's definitely not centered on the canvas. I love these little cells that came out on the outside. I think I had originally gone for like a spiral. That didn't really stick, which is fine. I'm just gonna kind of keep spinning and see. Actually, let me see if I can. Oops. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna have to let this sit because I'm starting to lose some of the parts I like. So, you know what? For our first attempt, my usual saying, not mad at it. I'm gonna torch a tiny bit and one thing I don't want to be afraid to do on my channel is to show my fails along with my successes. And this one, I think is kind of a fail. While there are parts of it that I like, I don't think this is one worth salvaging. I'm sorry, painting. I know, little canvas, you wanted to be something beautiful, but I just don't think this one is meant to be. There are parts of it that I really, really like how it came out, and I definitely do want to try this technique again. My paints were just mixed with Floetrol and Water, which is why I got some of these really cool cells. There was no silicone in any of it, so that's neat. These little itty bitty cells are from where I torched. That Rose Mater is like amazing when you put a torch to it and when it mixes with the white. But, and while I love like how the colors blended down here, I just don't think there is any saving that middle, unless anybody else has a suggestion. I'm probably not going to throw it away. It'll probably sit around here for a while. Maybe down the road I'll think of something fun to maybe do on top of it, but for now this one is probably a flop. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Normally I love all my canvases equally, but we're gonna have to try again. So anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.